Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Green Traders. I am Kumar here. We will discuss the Nifty key levels for Monday, that is 17th of August. So, before going that, we'll just have a review about what had happened with Nifty today and what was my prediction on Nifty yesterday, which I had posted in the video. Okay, so we'll just check the screenshot of yesterday's video which I had posted on Nifty. So this is the screenshot. So as you can see, I'd given Nifty buy above 11,330 and the targets are 11,370 and 11,400, and the sell below 11,300 and up to a target of 11,220. Okay, we'll just check so how the targets has been achieved today. So actually it was an awesome day today because both the targets on the buy side as well as on the sell side, Nifty has achieved my targets. Okay, so my buy was above 11,330, as you can see here, 11,330, and you can see here Nifty opened morning around 11,340. So my buy was above 11,330, so 10 points above my buy. The Nifty opened, so from there it made a high of 11,397 and my buy target was 11,400. So just 3 points below, Nifty had made 11,397. Okay, so it almost reached my buy target on dot. Okay, so and the buy side was also triggered exactly 11,000 above 11,330. So on the buy side also we achieved around let's say 70 points, and see on the same day on the seller side also we have achieved the target. Let's say the my sell target was below, the level was below 11,330 for a target of 11,220. As you can see here in the chart, yesterday I told, once the Nifty entered this range, this yellow color, and once it broke this trend line, it fell from here. Okay, this line, as you can see, it is 11,300. From here it made a low of almost 11,111. So my target was 11,220, but it fell another 100 points low. Okay, so you can just observe the levels which I give, the importance of those level, because once the level is broken on the upper side or the lower side, you can see the momentum. Okay, so that is all about price action strategies. So the levels will be strong, so strong that if the level breaks, it has an high chances of getting profited. So that's what happened today in the Nifty. It traded below 11,300 and it made a low of almost 180 points. Okay, Nifty on the sell side, and the buy side it hit 100% on dot, around 11,400 on the buy side. So these were the levels yesterday which I had given, and it's successfully on the buyer side and seller side achieved great profits on the both the sides equally. So let's check out for Monday, which is 17th of August. So as you can see here, today what happened, it was almost after 12:30 in the second session, Nifty fell almost 200 points, and it is trading in no man's land now. So in between we can't trade here. As you can see in 30 minutes, this is the 30 minutes chart, it is trading below 200 moving average. So let's say tomorrow if Nifty, that is on Monday, if Nifty opens around this the same area, don't trade. Okay, because this is a no trade zone. If Nifty reaches this level, let's say 11,300, again retest this resistance, you can go for sell, or else my prediction for Monday is, if Nifty opens on the same spot, allow Nifty to fall back. Okay, fall back till 11,120 or 11,000. My intention is, my prediction is that Nifty will come down to 11,100. Okay, this point. So at this point, if you see any reversible buy confirmations, you can buy Nifty above 11,100 or 11,120 for a target of 11,170 and 11,220. Okay, okay, so trade very carefully, because if Monday the market is negative, it has a high chance of breaking this support also, and it is and going down till 10,900. So wait for few candles to form, wait for any price action reversal candles over here, so that you get an edge to buy Nifty. Okay, so in the same way, on the sell side, I've given 10 11,060, below 11,060. It has to break this range. Okay, if Nifty breaks this range, it has an high probability that it will come down till 10,900, another 160 points on the lower side. Okay, so these are the levels for Monday, friends. So watch out, as usual, as I say, watch out for the market direction. The If it is negative or positive, look out for any price action confirmations, price action reversible patterns, along with the volume. Then with all such confirmation, you have to enter a trade. Okay, that's it, guys. And for more informations on price action classes which I conduct every weekends, that is paid classes, you can contact me or WhatsApp me. To join my free Telegram channel, to look out for my all my calls and my strategical screenshot, you can join my Telegram channel. And for more such videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day and have a great weekend. Okay, bye.